Imagine waking up in a beach town in Thailand, sipping coffee while watching the sunrise, and then opening your laptop to start working with clients in the USA. Sounds like a dream, right? But here's the real question. How? Do people actually make this happen? What jobs allow them to earn money online while traveling the world? Stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get started. And I promise, some of the jobs you'll discover might surprise you. Number 1. What is a digital nomad job? A digital nomad job is any kind of work that you can do from anywhere as long as you have a laptop and a good internet connection. Think of writers who can create blog posts from a cafe in Mexico, or designers who finish projects while sitting in a co-working space in Bali. The key is freedom and flexibility. Most beginners wonder, do I need special skills to start? The truth is, some jobs require advanced skills like coding, but many don't. You'll see that as we go through examples. Number 2. Freelance writing. One of the most popular ways to earn as a digital nomad is freelance writing. Businesses everywhere need content: blogs, articles, email newsletters, even product descriptions. For example, if you enjoy explaining ideas in simple words, you can write blog posts for a travel company. Pay rates often start at around $20 per article for beginners and can grow to $100 or more once you gain experience. The beauty is you don't need a degree in English. You just need to practice writing clearly and meet deadlines. Number 3. Virtual assistants. Imagine being the right-hand helper for a busy business owner. That's exactly what a virtual assistant does. You might schedule emails, book appointments, or handle customer support. For instance, a coach in New York could hire you to manage their calendar, even if you're working from Vietnam. Many beginners love this option because it doesn't require advanced technical skills. You just need to be organized and good at communication. Some assistants earn $15 to $30 per hour. Number 4. Social media management. Companies are desperate to stay active on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. If you're already spending time scrolling, why not turn that skill into income? A social media manager creates posts, responds to comments, and tracks growth. An example: a small bakery in Los Angeles might pay you to post daily photos of cupcakes. You could do this from anywhere in the world. Even beginners can start with small businesses, charging $300 to $500 per month per client. Number 5. Teaching English online. If you're a native English speaker, you already have a valuable skill. Platforms like Cambly or VIPKid connect you with students from Asia, Europe, and beyond. You'll help them practice conversational English through video calls. Here's the fun part. You don't always need a teaching certificate to start. Many platforms allow beginners, and you can earn around $10 to $20 per hour. Imagine chatting with a teenager in Japan, helping them with English homework while you're sitting on a balcony in Spain. Number 6. Graphic design. Do you love creating visuals? Companies constantly need logos, social media graphics, and advertisements. You don't have to be a professional designer. Free tools like Canva make it simple for beginners to start. Example: a startup could pay you $50 to design a simple logo. As you improve, those numbers can grow into hundreds or even thousands of dollars per project. Number 7. Coding and web development. This is one of the higher paying digital nomad jobs. Businesses need websites and apps, and they're willing to pay good money for them. For example, a freelance developer might build a website for a local restaurant and charge $2,000 or more. If you're starting from zero, don't panic. Platforms like FreeCodeCamp and Codecademy offer free training. It takes time, but the rewards are worth it. Number 8. Dropshipping and e-commerce. Have you ever wondered how people run online stores while traveling? Dropshipping is one way. You set up a store, usually on Shopify, and sell products that are shipped directly from suppliers to customers. You don't have to hold inventory or worry about shipping. For instance, you could sell phone cases online. When someone buys one, the supplier ships it directly to them. Your profit is the difference between what you charge and what you pay the supplier. This business takes effort to market, but many nomads earn steady income once it's set up. Number 9. Online tutoring and coaching. Beyond teaching English, you can tutor in math, science, or even life skills. Example: If you're good at guitar, you can coach students online. If you know personal finance basics, you can coach beginners on budgeting. Many people are willing to pay $30 to $100 per session for personalized guidance. Number 10. Customer support. Companies around the world hire remote workers to handle customer questions through chat or email. This can be perfect if you want predictable hours. For example, an e-commerce brand might hire you to answer order-related questions. You don't need technical knowledge, just patience and good communication. Pay can start at $12 to $20 per hour. Number 11. Affiliate marketing. This is about recommending products and earning commissions when people buy through your link. Let's say you love a software tool. If you share it on a blog or YouTube video and someone buys using your link, you earn money. Some affiliate marketers make a few dollars per month, while others earn thousands. Number 12. Online translation. If you know more than one language, you can make money translating documents, subtitles, or websites. For instance, translating English blogs into Spanish for businesses that want to reach new audiences. Rates vary, but many translators earn $20 to $50 per hour. Number 13. Data entry. This is one of the simplest ways to get started. Companies often need people to input or organize information. Example, entering survey responses into spreadsheets. While it doesn't pay as much as other jobs, usually around $10 to $15 per hour, it's a quick way for beginners to dip their toes into remote work. Number 14. Blogging and content creation. This is a longer-term game, but it can be very rewarding. Imagine starting a blog about traveling on a budget. Over time, you earn money from ads, affiliate links, and sponsorships. It takes effort and consistency, but many nomads earn full-time income this way. Number 15. Online sales and consulting. If you have knowledge in a field, you can package it into a course or offer consulting calls. For example, if you've been freelancing for a while, you can teach beginners how to start. People are willing to pay for guidance that saves them time and mistakes. Platforms like Teachable and Gumroad make it simple to sell courses online. Number 16. Remote corporate jobs. Not all digital nomads are freelancers. Some people work full-time jobs for companies that allow remote work. This could be in marketing, IT, finance, or even customer service. Example, a USA tech company might hire you as a remote project manager, paying a stable salary while you travel. This option is great if you prefer security and benefits. Number 17. How to find your first client or job. Now that you know the options, the real question is, how do you get started? Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are marketplaces where clients hire remote workers. If you prefer teaching or tutoring, platforms like Cambly, Preply, or Weezant are great. For corporate jobs, check out LinkedIn or remote job boards like We Work Remotely. A tip: don't wait until you feel ready. Apply, practice, and learn as you go. That's how most digital nomads start. Number 18. The hidden challenge. Here's the part most people don't talk about. Being a digital nomad isn't just about earning money online. It's about managing time zones, staying disciplined, and sometimes dealing with loneliness. For example, if you work with USA clients but live in Bali, you might need to wake up at 3 a.m. for meetings. The secret is to build routines that keep you productive while still enjoying the freedom. Number 19. Building financial stability. Many beginners worry, how do I make sure I don't run out of money while traveling? The trick is to keep a safety fund of at least 3 to 6 months of expenses. Also, choose countries where your income stretches further. For instance, earning $2,000 per month might feel tight in New York, but it can give you a very comfortable life in Vietnam or Thailand. Number 20. The big secret to success. Here's the loop I opened earlier. Everyone asks, what makes the difference between those who try digital nomad jobs and quit and those who succeed long-term? The answer is consistency. It's not about picking the perfect job right away. It's about showing up daily, delivering quality work, and slowly building your reputation. The truth is, opportunities multiply the longer you stay in the game. Number 21. Podcast editing. Podcasting is booming, and many creators need help editing their audio. As a podcast editor, you'll cut mistakes, add music, and improve sound quality. For example, a business coach in Chicago might record a podcast but hire you to polish it so it sounds professional. Beginners can earn $15 to $30 per episode, and experienced editors can make over $100 per episode. Number 22. Online bookkeeping. Small businesses always need someone to track expenses and handle invoices. With software like QuickBooks or Xero, you can manage bookkeeping from anywhere in the world. For instance, a cafe owner in Texas might hire you to balance their books while you're living in Portugal. Many remote bookkeepers earn between $20 and $50 per hour. Number 23. Voiceover work. If you have a clear voice, you can record narrations for videos, ads, and audiobooks. Websites like voices.com connect you with clients looking for narrators. Imagine recording a children's audiobook while staying in a quiet apartment in Greece. Rates can range from $50 to several $100 depending on the project. Number 24. Online community management. Brands and influencers often build communities on Facebook groups, Discord, or other platforms. They need moderators to welcome new members, answer questions, and keep conversations active. For example, a fitness influencer might hire you to manage their private online group. Community managers can earn $500 to $1,000 per month per community. Number 25. Stock photography. If you enjoy taking photos, you can sell them on websites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. Imagine capturing beautiful cityscapes in Prague or street markets in Bangkok and uploading them for businesses to buy. Every download gives you a commission, and over time, this can become a source of passive income. Number 26. Online research. Companies and entrepreneurs often pay freelancers to gather information for them. This might be researching market trends, competitor pricing, or potential clients. For instance, a startup in San Francisco might ask you to research remote team tools. It's straightforward work, usually paying $12 to $25 per hour. Number 27. Captioning and transcription. With the growth of online videos, there's a big need for accurate captions and transcripts. You listen to audio and type out what you hear. Example, transcribing a YouTube interview for a marketing company. Transcribers typically earn $10 to $20 per hour, and with practice, you can work faster and earn more. Number 28. Online gaming and streaming. Gamers are turning their hobby into income through platforms like Twitch and YouTube. If you're good at a game or just entertaining to watch, you can attract viewers who support you through ads, sponsorships, or donations. For example, playing Minecraft while chatting with fans can turn into steady income if you build a loyal community. Number 29. SEO consulting. Search engine optimization helps websites rank higher on Google. If you learn SEO basics, you can help businesses get more traffic and sales. Imagine a small travel blog hiring you to improve their search results so they appear on page 1. Even beginners can charge $20 to $40 per hour, while experts can charge hundreds. Number 30. Selling digital products. Instead of trading time for money, you can create digital files once and sell them again and again. These could be printables, templates, or ebooks. For example, selling resume templates on Etsy can bring in passive income while you travel. Some sellers make a few $100s per month, while others earn thousands. You now have a roadmap to digital nomad jobs. From freelance writing to coding, from tutoring to building your own online store, the opportunities are endless. The question is not, can I do it? The question is, which path will I choose first? So tell me in the comments, if you could try one of these digital nomad jobs tomorrow, which one would you start with?